I'm going to go ahead and introduce week 6 to you, which is February the 10th through the 16th. We're looking at ordinal numbers. You want to study pages 258 to 259. After completing this week's assignments, you should be able to identify and recall ordinal numbers. You should also be able to read 2 short texts on an eyewitness account of a robbery and one about a traveling package, and be able to answer some short answer questions on what you've read, which demonstrates your ability to read and comprehend short passages in Spanish. This week's assignments address student learning outcomes 1, 2, 3, and 4. Your assignments are due on the 13th. You want to start this week like all others by looking at your instructor-made videos on ordinal numbers. Then after you're done with that, come back out to the site, click on the class participation form, click on the thread, hit reply, and post any questions or concerns you have about material covered in the videos. And then you also have assignments in My Language Lab, so when you're ready, click on My Language Labs. You have these 2 SAM assignments and an extra practice. So you'll go out here, you'll click on the course calendar. I'm going to toggle over to February. Then I want to click on the 13th, and the assignments are going to pop up in the middle. Open up each one. You can do it as many times as you would like before the assignment's due date. After the 3rd try, it'll give you the right answers in a little call-out box. But if you need to do it more than that, I suggest reaching out to me. You also have a reading comprehension quiz, so when you're ready, you're going to open up the quiz. There are a couple of reading passages you need to look at. Then hit Attempt Quiz Now after you've done your reading. The reading passages are in the quiz as well, so you can refer back to them. Answer the short answer questions and the true/false, then finish attempt when you're done. It'll come to me. Remember, I'm not going to let you see the grade until I'm done going through and manually correcting them, so make sure you check your points before you reach out to me, because sometimes the computer will count things wrong that I'll go back and give you credit for. For oral, you're doing your final version of Oral Dialogue 2, and this little video will help you know what you're supposed to do. You should see the workshop, which is a week above, or maybe it's 2 weeks above, sorry. This Oral Dialogue will be moved down here, right above Oral Dialogue 2. You'll open it up, and you should see a script that's been critiqued by me. I want you to use that script to make your recording. So when you open it up, there are multiple options for how you can make a recording. Option 1 is VidGrid, which is what I'm using right now. If you want to do that, you watch this video. Option 2 is if you use some sort of recording device on your computer, and this will tell you how to embed it. Option 3 is using Vocaroo, and if you want to use that, then you can watch this video. It will tell you how to do it, and here's a link to Vocaroo. And option 4 is like setting up a Google and a YouTube account so you can use your phone, and these 2 videos will tell you how to do that. So when you're ready, you'll hit an Add Submission, and depending on which version you use, you will either paste a URL here or you'll click this button up here. But again, watch each of these options so you know what to do. And that's everything that you have to do for week